सुप्रभात, राधे राधे, जय श्री राम, श्री सत्याकाल, अहो gozaimasu, Jaosang how. Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing great and taking a very good care of yourself and returning to most welcome to our YouTube channel, Uday Singh English Learner. As you know guys, I am fond of learning English language as well as guys Chinese language and Japanese language. That's why I am practicing English every day. Today, I am recording this video outside of my home. So let me tell you about this place guys. The place where I am standing right now is known as Rifle Playground. Okay. Today I came here to record this video. Have a look guys. Many boys are playing here, and in the evening and in the morning many boys came here to play cricket. I am also came here to record this video. So guys, today I will tell you how to say hello in Chinese and how to say hello in Japanese guys. But before moving forward, I would like to request you all, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel, turn on notification and share this video among your family and friends as much as you can guys. Okay, so now let's begin. If you want to say hello in Chinese, simply you would say ni hao. And if you want to say hello in Japanese, simply you would say konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Okay guys, if you find this video informative, useful and interesting, then like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care, bye bye, jai chen, sayonara. See you soon in next live stream as well as guys in next video. Take care, bye bye, have a nice day.